I fell and lost my place. Chased the world, forgot your grace. Now I'm here running back in shame. You still call me by my name, even when I cause you pain. Your mercy meets me once again and lifts me from my sin and shame. I don't wanna hide anymore. Here I am broken before your door. Create in me a clean heart, Lord. Wash my past, make me whole once more. Breathe new life, let your spirit reign. Take my heart and make me new again. You never left when I ran away. Your grace is here, it still remains. Now I'm running to your open arms, make me new again, oh Lord. Like the fire I let grow cold, fan the flame inside my soul. Give me courage to tell the world of the love that made me whole. When the noise drowns out your voice, help me choose the better choice. I wanna walk in your ways and seek you every day. No more running from your truth, Lord, I surrender all to you. Create in me a clean heart, Lord. Wash my past, make me whole once more. Breathe new life, let your spirit reign. Take my heart and make me new again, again. You never left when I ran away. Your grace is here, it still remains. Now I'm running to your open arms, make me new again, oh Lord. Every time I fall, you lift me higher. Your mercy never fades away. I'll keep coming back to the arms that never lack forgiveness every single day. Create in me a clean heart, Lord. Wash my past, make me whole once more. Breathe new life, let your spirit reign. Take my heart and make me new again. I'm not the same, you call my name. Now I live to give you praise. Every breath, every song I sing, you make me new again, oh Lord. You make me new again, Jesus, you make me new. Clean heart, Lord. Wash my past, make me whole once more. Breathe new life, let your spirit